Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we are going to be putting in some LEDs into the Dodge Ram. Super excited to do this. It's way overdue. It has all these ugly yellow halogen bulbs that are all around the truck. I didn't get the LED package, so we're going to change that today. Alright, so we got a couple bulbs here from Last Fit. Heard a lot of good things about this brand, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna be doing the cargo light. We also have some dome light bulbs. We also have some side marker bulbs that I'll show you guys as well. And then we also have the bulbs that are right underneath the glove box and where your pedal is. So we got all interior lights. We are missing the map light. It's supposed to come in today, but man, I ordered these on Amazon yesterday and I got same day shipping, and just one of them will come today, so that's pretty darn good. So we're gonna start with the cargo light. Let's do it. All right guys, so let's look at these ugly yellow halogens first. We're gonna change that to some LEDs. I am not gonna change this one yet, the red one, the brake light, because I don't have it yet. But it would be nice to have LED in there as well, just so we do have actually everything LED. But for now, we're just gonna do the cargo light and hopefully get a little bit better bed lighting at night. But yeah, this is the before, and now we're gonna take that off. So all you need is just a Phillips screwdriver, and we're gonna start unscrewing this off. Okay, now that we got the screws off, we're just gonna pry this off. I already started. It should just come off with some clips, and hopefully it doesn't fall on me. It should pop right out. Yep, there we go. Now we're gonna take out the bulbs. To make this a little easier, I went ahead and just unclipped it from the truck. Just a little clip right here that unclips, and now we're gonna replace the bulbs. Okay, so to take the bulbs out, all you do is just twist it. Should just pop right out. So again, it's in here, just gonna twist it, and this is where it pops. Should pop right out, but I guess not. There you go. Pops right out. I'm just gonna take out these bulbs. Gonna really quickly plug this back in to make sure it works. Okay, we got it plugged in. Let's see if it works. One of them does. That's cool. So let's plug in the other one. Okay, so if that happens to you guys, just take out the bulb and just put it back in the other way. So just twist it around and then it should work. Now let's put this back in. Alright guys, now they're all done, let's look at the final view here, see how it looks. So much better. I know it's a little hard to tell in the daytime, but they're so much brighter. Definitely gonna look way better and shine way brighter than the ugly yellow halogens, and it's gonna complement the nice LED taillights that we got from Recon, and love it. All right guys, now let's move on to the next one. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is remove this little light right here under the passenger side, and then we're gonna replace it. Alright, we got the cover off. It should just pull right off. It's pretty simple. Now we're gonna take out the bulb. Alright, so we got the light bulb out. I just used some pliers. The way you could do it is just use some tape, but like I have here, but I just didn't want to play around with that, so I know I'm not reusing this bulb, so I just took some pliers and slightly pulled it off without breaking it. Look at the difference. So much better, so much brighter. Now let's do the driver's side. So much better to match the rest of the LEDs that we're about to do. It's definitely going to be easier to see in the dark, so I will redo a little cinematic video to show all the LEDs when it's dark, but man, so much better. Alright guys, now for the map lights. The best way to do this is to take off this whole thing. It's very simple. It might seem a little intimidating, but it's very simple to take off. All you do is you go through the sunglass holder right here, and then there is 2 screws there. They're just 8mm. We're gonna unscrew that, and then we're gonna try to just pretty much unclip this whole unit. That's all it's holding. Let's give it a shot. I also recommend turning the lights off, putting it on the off here so they don't get too hot. So when you take them out, it'll be pretty easy to take off and you don't burn yourself. So one thing you don't want to do is rush to take things off. So I broke the clips that hold right by the sunglasses little area. So yeah, don't rush, don't make this mistake. So it's just 2 clips that hold inside of the sunglasses case, and you just have to pop them off with the screwdriver. I didn't, just pulled it off and it broke, so just be careful. Stuff like this will happen if you just rush and don't, you know, look at things clearly. So that was my fault, nobody else to blame but myself. But we're gonna continue, and if it's gonna become a problem, I am gonna just glue this or find a way to fix these clips, because it does suck. I hate that, especially on a nice truck. I do have the clips that broke, and we'll try to glue them on maybe, but as of right now, we're gonna continue with taking off the lights. and then we're gonna put this back in. Okay, so be very careful taking off these. Make sure we don't break something again. But we just pop them right off. I just used a very flat screwdriver. And now we're gonna go ahead and pop off these chrome bezels. It's gonna make it easier to take out the light bulbs. All right, so we got the light bulbs out. Just be very careful prying these out. And the best way to take out the light bulbs is just to push them from the back here, and then they pop right out. Now let's put in the LEDs, and then we're gonna test to make sure that it's in the right polarity. If it's not, we're just gonna switch it around and it should turn on. So let's give it a shot. All right, so we got the right polarity first try. That's great. Now we're just gonna put everything back together and we should be all done. Let's do it. All right, guys, we are done. Look at that. So much better, so much brighter. We got all the LEDs in the front. Now let's move on to the rear here. Just get that one out and we'll be all LED'd out in here. All right, now let's move on to this ugly dome light, the yellow, and let's remove that as well. This should just pop right out, and then we'll take out the bulb. Alright guys, that is all. LEDs all around. Now we're just waiting on some headlights from Morimoto. Hopefully I'll be getting those next week, so look out for that install on the Ram. If you like what you saw, I would really appreciate it if you would like this video and also subscribe. We got more videos coming if you enjoy Dodge Ram videos. We got a Wrangler as well, and then we're gonna be fully rebuilding the S2000 starting very soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.